हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक हैं, खैरियत से हैं? मुझे यकीन है कि यू विल बी वेटिंग फॉर माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो। तो आज जो वीडियो मैं अपलोड करने जा रहा हूँ ये बिगिनर्स के लिए है कि बिगिनर्स थिंक दैट दे कांट स्पीक इंग्लिश। बिलीव मी, टू स्पीक इंग्लिश इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क। एवरी पर्सन हु कैन अंडरस्टैंड while listening he can speak English. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे आती है? द मेन प्रॉब्लम इज कॉल्ड हेजिटेशन. व्हाट इज हेजिटेशन? यू थिंक दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली. तो हाउ टू रिमूव दिस हेजिटेशन? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कि when I deliver my lecture within class premises, students are able to understand what I am saying. If you are watching movies, you can listen to the dialogues and you can understand all of those. But the main problem, when you are given some chance to speak English, if you are going to have a dialogue with another native speaker of English, you can't utter even a single word. You can't utter even a single sentence. What is the main problem? The main problem is called hesitation. Now, how can we remove this hesitation? This is very easy. It's not difficult. I have so many suggestions for this. First of all, you can stand before a mirror and you can talk to yourself. In other words, you can say, if you meet a person who is a layman, who doesn't know about English, he can't reply you. Just start talking to him. तो जाहिर है वो कहेगा कि पागल हो गए हो. तो you don't have to take it seriously. You have to become mad. If you want to speak English, you have to speak to the persons who are laymen. Other words, you can stand before a mirror and start talking to yourself. For example, if I suggest to you that you have to talk to yourself about your daily routine life. In simple words, you can say, I get up early in the morning, then I take my breakfast, I prepare myself to go to college, to go to university. I take all my lectures over there. After taking lectures, I come to my home. I take my lunch. After having lunch, I take some nap. Nap means kalula. दोपहर को आराम करना. After taking nap, I again get up and go to the play field. I play cricket, football, hockey over there. Then I come back. In the evening, I say all my prayers. Okay, you have to say all your prayers. This is also your part of your life. So when you talk to yourself about your whole day activity, it means that you're talking to yourself. Nobody is present before you. Nobody is standing before you. It is you only who are standing before you. You can talk to yourself. This is one suggestion. Another one is that you have to meet somebody who is layman. Layman means वो अनपढ़ है. He can't understand what you are talking. He can't make anything extraordinary about you. That you are speaking wrong English, you are speaking correct English. He doesn't make any differentiate. Then you have to talk to him. This is better way. He'll call you a mad person. वो आपको कहेगा पागल हो गए हो यार. तो आपने पागल हो जाना है. Just start talking to him. It means that you are talking to the person who is lay person, who doesn't understand what you are talking. You will be confident. There comes confidence in your personality. There will come fluency in your language, and you would be able to speak more fluent way. So this is the way that you can remove your hesitation while speaking. Just make some notes. Okay, what you have to do tomorrow. Then you have to use future tense. For example, tomorrow you have to go to some cinema. You have to watch some movie. Then you can make notes and then recite those words from your own mouth. For example, tomorrow I'll get up early in the morning. I'll go to my washroom. I'll be fresh over there. Then I will take my breakfast. After taking breakfast, I'll go to my friends. I will have gossips with them. Then we will go to some cinema. We will watch movie over there. We will enjoy this movie over there. In this way, you can make different notes And what you have to do tomorrow, you can recite, you can say, you can speak these words from your mouth. Now come to another point. We are talking about past. Okay, what I did yesterday, you have to make some notes about it. And you have to say all these activities from your mouth. For example, you can say, yesterday I got up early in the morning. Yesterday I met my professor. I met my mentor. I met my teacher. Yesterday I also met my friends. Yesterday we played cricket in the ground. Yesterday we had much fun. Okay, while living in the past, you have to use second form. If you are using will, shall, etc., it means you are talking about future. And while in present, we are talking about present. For example, I am delivering my lecture. You all are watching my channel. You are listening to me. What I am saying, you are understanding. Then guys and girls, it's very easy way to remove your hesitation. Okay, first of all, you have to stand before mirror. You have to talk to yourself. Another point is that you have to meet somebody who is lay person. You start talking to him. When you will speak fluently, it means you are more confident. And the confidence will come into your personality. And you will feel more easy that you are able to understand that people are not understanding you, but they are listening you. If they are calling you a mad person, it doesn't matter. You have to be mad. Okay, these are the two ways that you can remove your hesitation. In the next lecture, inshallah ta'ala, I'll talk about verb. Okay, what is verb? How can you use verb in sentences? Okay, Allah Hafiz.